Hello friend, this is from Caviar Machinery Technology Company in China. Here it is a new finished 100 liters model needle mixer for Turkey client. For this mixer, we make the whole part explosion-proof type, including the motor and the cable, and the control panel, including the chiller. We equipped a chiller for the client. And for this mixer, we use Siemens brand motor and hard-tooth phase reducer for the driving system. And for the material discharging way, it is a cylinder tilting discharging way. Especially, we equipped the electric directly heating way for the mixer. We arrange the electric heating wire around the chamber and make the insulating mud for the temperature maintenance, so it can reach a higher temperature as a normal one. Okay, now I would like to make a simple test for the mixer because we have connected with the electricity power. Okay, first we test the mixing function. This is a control panel. Rotating speed display, temperature set, temperature display. For the motor, forward, reverse, stop, speed control. Speed display, this is inverter panel. Inverter, we use the Siemens brand inverter. This is for the top lid, open, close, and cylinder tightening and the cylinder back. For the heat button, for the light button, emergency stop button. Okay. Now I would like to open the light. We can check the inside situation wire this way. Okay, we test the mixing function. Mixing forward, don't worry. Because we equipped two windows, one with light, and we can check wire this window during the work. Now we can see the double sigma blades rotating in the forward direction. Okay. And then I would like to test the reverse direction. Find right. Now the blades rotating in the reverse direction. In this direction, it can help the material discharging after cylinder tightening. We can check the top part. This is the raw material feeding part. This is the pressure meter, and for the liquid feeding. Especially, we make the double sigma blades with a cooling water channel. So the water will cool in the material via the double sigma blades, while this rotating joint, rotary joint for the double sigma blades inner channel. Also this way, this is the rotary joint. Okay, especially we have the safety protection system. Once the top lid open, the mixer will stop. Let's test. Open. Now we can see that once the top lid opened, the mixer stopped, and it will not work for the safety consideration. Considering the high temperature for the client material, we use graphite sealing material, both for the lid and the body, and for this part, we use graphite sealing material. For this mixer, it is used for the mixing of ammonium polyphosphate. It is also, we can call it APP. It is a kind of flame retardant for this material mixing. Okay, we will display the material discharging way. Okay, in this way, after mixing, the material can be discharged via the cylinder. Even in this situation, with the top lid open, we can also drive the double sigma blades because this is another function we equipped. It is we call the engine switch function. We can make the double sigma blades jogging for the maintenance and the cleaning of the mixer. Okay, we will display it mixing forward. In this way, the operator must keep the finger on the button continuously. Once removed the finger, it will stop. Now removed, and the mixer will not work. This is for the safety consideration. And also the same simple for the reverse direction. Okay, removed and stopped. And then I would like to make the cylinder back and top lid close. Cylinder back. It is driving with the hydraulic system on the back side. And close the top lid. Okay, no problem. So this is a simple introduction and test for the basic situation of the new finished 100 liters model needle mixer for Turkey client. If you have any interest for this kind of mixer, please don't hesitate to contact us for more information. This is from Machinery, technology company in China. Thanks for watching.